Okay, so I made a floral headpiece a couple of months ago, and it was really fun and super easy. So I wanted to show how easy you could make one yourself. And if you're interested in seeing me make any of the other ones for any other seasons of the year, uh, any themes, honestly, you can commission me for them, but also comment them down below. So here I'm just cutting out all the pieces, taking a modified head bucket hat pattern and using that as the base, so I have something to glue the flowers onto. I didn't need the brim, and you don't really need a big hat. You just need something that's going to cover your head. And I went with the small size because I have a relatively small head. But here I'm sewing the pieces all together. The top of the hat is reinforced to protect, so that it's protected from the hot glue, so it doesn't just warp through it. And it's not like a well sewn together hat. It's very shoddy. There are many holes, but it's not important because really what we're trying to do is make a base for the hat. Make sure you don't do it like me and mix match where your seams are and accidentally put your folded seams from your first set from around the brim on the good side of the top of the hat, so that my seams are all weird. But it works out, it's whatever. So here I am, I take a plastic bag to protect the wig head, because my wig head she is a trooper, but she is beat up. And I wasn't sure what I wanted to do when I first got it. That's about 3 different flower crowns from 3 different projects that I had done previously for I think and 3 different projects from a previous business venture where I was selling flower crowns. This is like 2016, 2017, so it was big Lana Del Rey energy. Big, and it worked out. I sold a lot to a lot of club promoters. It was a lot of fun. So I'm just pinning them to one another and using the different chunk pieces to fill up space. Later on you'll see I use leaves. I had a lot of big flowers, but I didn't have a lot of small detail pieces, and it's a lot of big flowers, so they take up a lot of space, but once you look down past the first layer, you can just see the linen of the hat. So you have to get creative with it. So I've gotten into actually gluing the pieces down, and my goodness, it's all out of focus, too close to the actual camera. And I had a hard time getting the hot glue gun to start up. It was really warm for the longest time, so nothing would stick. But I'm just removing the pins and just trying to go through and figuring a place to start, because sometimes it's really hard to think through things creatively. I glue things down, and The hardest part was the sunflowers because they would not stay A, together, and B, on the headpiece, and you end up having to lay it down on its side because it just would just bloop right off the headpiece. I'm just like trying to get it to glue, but it's not, and that one just ripped apart. It was boo-boo from start to finish. I normally work with higher quality flowers, but I think a majority of these are all Walmart, like $1 and $2 flowers. So, not my highest grade work, but I think it's really pretty and very fall. So this is like my final look at while I'm filling in leaves and little bitty bops. And I'm really proud of how it turned out. It's kind of exactly how I wanted it. I wanted to make sweet peas with sunflowers, but it'd be something I can wear now. I wear hats and head coverings now all the time instead of headbands on top of waves. So I'm really proud of how this turned out.
I haven't fallen out of love with this hat yet. I used to always change up this nighttime hat, but I had a couple ones over time, and I would just like start to hate them after a little bit. But this one, and I didn't finish it going to the specific beach because I do want to do something with that area. That's why I've been bringing forest all the way down here. I left a ton of energy because I do plan to add some other elements back there. I don't know what to do yet, but I wanted to. And then here I just went down to house design, leaves, I don't know that I did extra treatment, and then I was like, you know what, I need to make hats. There's like nothing on my
One pin.
besides some water, so I decided to buy some hats. Going up and around the lake on one side, and then also I have a tree right there, another tree, and then I added some just kind of sprinkled in the back here in the trees. To make it look a little more full and more back there. It gives it a really good vibe, and I love adding these on top of these little squares. Love how it looks, and also custom sites, which I'll do right here. Adding those little flowers that I love so much. Adding the cherry blossoms. Ah, so cute, so weird, love it. And here it is, the final look at everything. And time comes to sunset, so we would have.
Anyway, oh my god, thank you for watching me construct this hat. It's super fun and pretty, and it just, like, I love a good, like, headpiece. So, smells like hot glue. If you're interested in seeing anything else I do, you can like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe button's on this side, I know that. And also, you can follow me on Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you're also interested in seeing more of me, you can watch more videos. Oh my god, my face. There's a mirror here. It's making weird light. Watch another video. Subscribe to the channel. Gemini faces.